Good morning, everyone. I'm Jasveer Kaur. I'm fine here and hope the same for all of you. Welcome to the world of digital learning. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction of Class 4 English Chapter number 2 Skipping Shoes. The story of Skipping Shoes is written by Louisa May Alcott. Now, let's talk about its objectives. While going through the story, you can experience the thoughts and feelings of Kitty. You can develop functional understanding of the grammar and structure of the language. Moreover, you will be able to add new words in your active vocabulary. Now, let's come to know what is the meaning of skipping shoes. Skipping means hop or bounce or move along lightly or stepping from one foot to other with the hop or bounce. And shoes means, as you all know, footwear. So the skipping shoes are the shoes which can hop or bounce. Now let's come to the characters. Kitty is the leading character in this story. The whole story revolves around her. Her mother, father, sister, and friends are the supporting characters in it. The theme of the story is that true happiness lies in helping others. Now, let's understand what are the learning outcomes of this chapter. First of all, you will be able to frame sentences. You will be able to arrange sentences in a proper way. Through this learning, you will be able to demonstrate this knowledge, attitude, and skills of digital age work and learn new things. You will be able to plan, design, assess effective learning environment and experience. Side by side, you will be able to analyze the things critically. So, this was all about the chapter in brief. Now, we will do it in detail. First of all, before starting the chapter, we will discuss the word sentence that is given at the top of the page of this chapter. So, now the question arises, what is sentence? First of all, you will tell me how do you express your feelings or thoughts? Definitely, we express our feelings or thought through words. When we speak or write, we use words. Am I right? We use these words in groups. When a group of words make complete sense, we call it a sentence. For example, Kitty is a small girl. Number 2, I am speaking. Number 3, why are you standing? Number 4, what a beautiful rose. These are some sentences. All these group of words make complete sense. Thus, we came to know that a sentence is a group of words which make complete sense, and it starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, or sign of exclamation. Now, let's do an exercise to understand it better. Choose whether the following group of words are sentences. Number 1, my friend Kitty. Number 2, the wind is cold. Number 3, barking dogs. Number 4, she is a good girl. When we look at the first group of words, we can't say it is a sentence as it does not make full sense. Second sentence, the wind is cold, is complete in its sense. So we call it a sentence. Number 3, barking dogs, every sentence that we speak or write consists of two parts. So we must talk about some person or a thing if we talk at all. For example, in this picture, there is a girl, she is smiling, and in this sentence, the girl is smiling. The girl is a subject and the other part of the sentence is a predicate. And the second sentence is, here is the second other thing is an umbrella. An umbrella is used in rainy season. Here in this sentence, an umbrella is a subject and other part of sentence is a predicate. In other words, we must have a subject to talk about and we must say or predicate something about the subject. If I come to you and say your mother, you know that that is a subject about which I wish to talk, but I have said nothing about that subject to make a sentence. I must say something about your mother. If I say, your mother knows me, I have expressed a complete thought. I have made a sentence. So, a sentence has two parts. One is subject and the other is predicate. And the subject is that talk about which something is said, and predicate what is said about the subject. Now, to make it more clear, notice how the following sentences are divided into subject and predicate. See, in the blue part, all these words are subject, and to the other side there is a predicate. So, first sentence is birds fly. In this sentence, birds is a subject and fly is a predicate because birds is that talk about which something is said and fly is what is said about the subject. Same as in the second sentence, cows eat grass. Same here, cow is the subject. It is a main part of a sentence and eats grass is a predicate. The house is white. The house is subject and is white is a predicate. Now you have understand that what is sentence and it has two parts. One is subject and the other is predicate. So that's all about sentence. Let's arrange the jumbled words into meaningful sentences. Like first sentence, a 7 their days are in week. There are 7 days in a week. Number 2, shining are the stars sky in the stars are shining in the sky. Now you have to solve your book page number 20 and 21 of sentence from grammar section. Okay, see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.